Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up iPhone 15 Pro for a senior person. And to do this, we'll need to launch our settings, then find the accessibility. Right here we have display and the text size. Now I would make sure that the bold text is enabled. Then we have larger text option. We can enable larger accessibility sizes and adjust the size of the text with this slider. So adjust it however you like, and then we can go back. And as you can see, text is much bigger. Then we can, let me see if there's anything here that we would like to enable. Nope, there's nothing else. So next thing is a zoom. And here, when you activate it, it will instantly zoom into the screen, but fear not, you can double press with 3 fingers to zoom out. And now we can read through the functions. Double tap 3 fingers to zoom. Drag 3 fingers to move around the screen. And double tap 3 fingers and drag to change zoom the intensity. So it works like this. It's kind of annoying, but something we can change it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.